Rinneadh oidhreacht ard na bheith, tosaíocht chultúra de chuid forbairt firsta a cheoladh go hoffgúil le déanaí i gláiste firsta.
Well, it's launch of the on August Tush le Shrai amachti a verser shiol go gion bliana. Rishalan guravu doing les a chach shor machul chach ard nava a horch honkin a mel a fobble.
So, a couple of Costa Firsta, a few things about Costa Firsta. Fastest growing Irish medium post-primary in Ireland.
For my da alien tour, then you earhar, then you orhar na catrack, hog much forward Firsta, August Tourus, Shannon Chonskadal Gaeliga and orhar na catrack le Kela, August bay Cole Hunskadal Bliana again. So Tusatalon, August Tus Moy, Lach na Hebron or a Jersey. By and da alien tour a Nature Commission on Pisa Wine anu an eine Misa, Gugion Yavi Jag, August lesson da Fisa Jag Shannon Dinya, by Tashpintas and Jen Army Baltanya, the Blanish Hugging, and then Jan for Ericor Tashpinch, so Hulterland, August and Jen Hall and St East Belfast Mission.
No, in Runda Harlan there had a who is selection victory and the Council Gary McRobert of Stuart Session, Grove Passions and Nuction,
and Sanam Kena, Rahi Shiramaka me Vehav, Emlena, Ladaldi o College Ferristia, I was Ladaldi o Orharna Catrak, I was Johnny Shade Lehant the Scatula and Sanda Canter, Marshaw Canter at an Eitner Derakela, the Fada and La. So, basically, Samuel Fackle could you achieve a plasty?
We're now in the heart of County Maguiltufta at a school which is regenerating. Children are regenerating.
I think it's been brilliant today. I mean, like the artwork here is absolutely superb. It's a great story, you know, about the work between West and East Belfast. And even the whole kind of work around the language, around the Irish language, around the Loganyaman, the place names, between East Belfast Mission and Forwards Firsta.
We're both, the three of us are members of the North-South Ministerial Council.
Tishban and Shea, Noleri and Shea, and Co-Ebru Hui Has, a combination. Agus be your niece Tomak in nation, Gilerian Shea and Co-Ebru, agus and Co-Hishid at the head, agus here and shaw and Belfastia. Chaim Tucson lay on Eher Belfastia, agus Vidini on Tisha den Harling, agus a this time with an Eher Belfastia, agus Tadini o Eher Belfastia. Morshin Takadrim a Hoho. Either Anja Hiu, agus Shilum, go Rod Anawai, agus go Rod Funtahishad.
By Alan Jeshanek Dini Hachtag Chakshaw, and Kid Kion me Vanan or Lena, Nuriani Mujla, Osculcha, Oirachta, by Shemshiacht, Skilliacht the Fasti, Tourist na Hart or a Chach, agus Ahachtu Styra.